Let's see how to create a timetable in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now to create a timetable, let's go ahead and create our basic table first. Now click on the Insert tab and click on Table right here. Now, for example, you're going to want to create a weekly timetable. So it's going to be, let's put a number of columns, 8, and number of rows would be 16. Now what that will look like from here, let's highlight all the top cells. Now right click and click on merge cells. And as you can see, on the second row, type in the days of your week, but remember to leave one space right here on the first column. Now let's go ahead and type our weeks. And right here, let's type in our hours of the day. And from here on, depending on your day, you can extend this even further. But for now, let's say that we want to remove all of these cells right here at the bottom. So let's go ahead and delete those cells. And what that will look like now is like this. Now, what you can write in these cells is your schedule for the day. So for example, at 8 a.m. on a Monday, you're gonna wake up at 9 a.m. You're gonna have to eat breakfast, and from 9 to 10, you're gonna travel to work, and 11 to 5, for example, is gonna be your working time. So let's go ahead and merge these cells. Right click, click on merge. Now type in work. Let's go ahead and center those. And that is how you create a timetable in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.